Hello everyone, welcome to fifth lecture of our Java series. Today we'll be learning about inheritance in Java. So let's get started. Inheritance in Java. It is a feature of object-oriented programming where we can use methods and properties of our parent class into our child class. So let's understand what is parent and child class. Class which is inherited is called parent class, which means this class will be having our properties and methods which we want to use in our child class, and a class which inherits the parent class is called child class. So let's take note of that. And keyword use for inheritance is called extends keyword, which we are going to use in our example today. So without wasting any more time, let's move to our example. Okay, so let's start our code. So first we are going to define our parent class. So I'll say class parent, and this is going to be super simple example. So I'll just create a simple method which will return with sum of two integers. And a problem with Java is that you cannot inherit more than one classes in single child class. So if you want to inherit two or more classes in one single child class, it is restricted by Java. And we are going to use interface as an alternative for that. And in our child class we are going to extend our parent, where we use extends keyword and followed by class name. So now in this class we need two variables which will be integer a, integer b, and we are going to initialize them with our constructor. So let's create our constructor single in, and let's assign our values to our variable. So this dot a equals to a, this dot b equals to b, and our class part is done here. And now we need to define our main method so we can execute our code. Public static void main string args, and now let's create object. So we are going to create object of our child class which is single in. So I'll say single in obj new single in and pass our values. So I'll pass simple 10 20, and now it is initialized to our variables a and b. Now we are going to call our method sum, which is method of our parent class, from object of our child class. So I'll say sum is, and now let's call our method. So obj dot sum, and now we are going to pass our parameters. So I'll say obj dot a, obj dot b, and that's it. So let's compile our code and execute it. Cd java examples, and now we are going to compile it. So java c single in. Okay, so that worked fine. Now let's run our program. Okay, so it says sum is 30, which means everything worked fine. So this was just simple example of how to perform single inheritance, and we are going to learn more about the other types of inheritance in our future lectures. So stay tuned. So this was it for our today's video. Do try this example, execute the code, and if you need any help, make sure you join our Telegram group. So I'll be always available there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.